Our first step is we need to match the numbers in front of either the x or the y terms. If a term does not have a number in front of it, we know the number is 1. In this case, I'm going to choose to match the numbers in front of our y terms. The lowest common multiple of 1 and 3 is number 3. Therefore, to get the top equation y to have the number 3, I must multiply it by 3. Therefore, our rule is we must multiply the full top equation through by 3. 3x times 3 will give us 9x. Negative y times 3 will give us negative 3y. And on the right hand side, 23 times 3 will give us 69. For the bottom equation, we already had the 3 in front of the y, so I simply just copy the second equation. So 2x plus 3y equals to 8. As we chose to match up our y terms, I look at the signs in front of our y terms. Our rule is, if the signs are different, we simply add the two equations together. As our signs are different, i.e. one is negative, one is positive, we simply add the two equations together. On the left-hand side, 9x add 2x will simplify to give us 11x. I know negative 3y add 3y will simply cancel out. And on the right, 69 add 8 will simplify to give us 77. I've now got 11x equals to 77. I don't want 11x, I want to find the numerical value for the single letter of x. The opposite times by 11 is to divide both sides of my equation by 11. 11 over 11 cancels to give us x, and 77 divided by 11 will give us 7. So x is equal to 7. Now that I've got my value for x, I need to substitute back into either the top or the bottom equation. For this example, I'm going to substitute into the bottom equation. Here I know that 2x plus 3y equals to 8. 2x in algebra means 2 multiplied by x. And I know now x is 7, so 2 times x, 2 times 7 will give us 14. I've still got the plus 3y, and it's still all equal to 8. So I've got 14 plus 3y equals to 8, and I'm solving now in this case for the letter y. So just like before, if we're solving for y, we cover up the term we want. We always eliminate any other term on the same side as the letter we want first by doing the inverse. Opposite add 14 will be to subtract 14 from both sides. So 14 take away 14 will cancel on the left, leave us with 3y. And on the right hand side, 8 take away 14 will give us negative 6. 3y in algebra means 3 multiplied by y. Opposite multiplied by 3 is to divide both sides by 3. On the left, 3 over 3 will cancel to give us y, and negative 6 divided by 3 will give us negative 2. So my final answer for 3 marks is when x equals 7, y is equal to negative 2.